Hello student, now I am going to explain the square wave program using DAC interface with the 8051 microcontroller. Okay, so here we are going to generate the square waveform here. Now I am going to explain the programming part of the square waveform. Here I am using port 0 of the 8051 microcontroller in order to generate the square waveform. Here the program. First let me build the target. Already I created the project. Now I am going to add my application file under this project. Right click under the source group and add existing files. Here I have to find out the square wave file. So my square wave file it is added here. Now I am going to build the target. Okay, so target is built. Now I will switch into the debug mode. Here I need to generate the square waveform, means I have to make the square wave that is positive pulse as well as the negative pulse. So in order to verify the output, let me go to the peripherals. So in the IO ports, select port 0. By default, all the pin of the port 0 it is high, that is 0xFF. Now let me explain the programming part of the square waveform. So here I am using port 0 as well as the accumulator. Okay, so first I am going to clear all the pin of the port number 0 by using instruction called move port 0, hash of 00H. Before it is 0xFF. After executing, all the pin of the port number becomes 0. See, all the pin of the port number becomes 0 here. Now I am going to clear the content of the accumulator by using instruction clear A. Okay, now here I need to generate the square waveform, means I have to assign the pin of the port number 0 as a logical high as well as the logical low. Here the logical high, because I am going to use 0FF. 0FF is nothing but, if you convert this into binary, the maximum value is 255 in the decimal. Why I am using 0FF means, because the pin number of the port 0 it is having 8 pins. So if I use all the 8 pins of the port 0, the maximum value is what? 0xFF. That is what I have to choose 0xFF value in order to generate the positive pulse of the square waveform. So how can I use? First I will copy the 0xFF into the accumulator by executing move a, hash of 0FFH. Before executing, the accumulator is 0 here. After execution, a becomes 0xFF, and the value of accumulator I am passing to the port 0. That is by using command called move port 0, A. Before it is all the pin of the port 0 it is 0. After execution, all the pin number of the port 0 becomes high. See, all the pin of the port number becomes high. And after that, I had to make the square wave, means I had to make some delay. I need to apply the delay in order to achieve the positive pulse. So that I am going to call the ACallDelay function here. So here it keeps on calling the delay in order to maintain the positive pulse for certain amount of the time. So here in order to execute from this loop, I have to use this step out, so that it will comes into the next instruction here. And after that, in order to generate a negative pulse of the waveform, I am going to assign accumulator as a 0 0, that is using instruction called move a, comma hash of 00h. Before accumulator content is 0xFFH. After execution this, the accumulator content becomes 0x00 here. Okay, and next we already generated the positive pulse of the square waveform. Now I want to generate the negative pulse of the square waveform, that is logical low 0. How can I generate a logical low 0? By using instruction called move port 0, A. Before that port 0 it is having high value. After execution instruction, all the pin number of the port 0 it becomes 0 here. See, all the pin of the port number becomes 0, and I need to maintain some amount of the time as a logical low 0 value, so that I am going to call the delay function by using instruction called ACALL_delay. So it will switch from main function to the delay function in order to execute the delay function, because I have to maintain the logical low value for certain amount of the time. That is what I have to use delay function. In order to come out from the delay function, I have to use step out function here, so that it will come here. And short jump LP5, that is loop name here. Again it will come into here only, because again I need to generate the next cycle of the square waveform. That's why I need to execute this loop for infinite number of times in order to execute the square waveform for infinite number of time here. That is what the loop, it keeps on execute for infinite number of times in order to generate the square waveform across the port 0 of the pin number here. And in next I will discuss how we are going to connect the microcontroller with the DAC, and how we are going to flash the program into the microcontroller.
Hello student, now we will see the program for the square wave generation using DAC. So this is the program I already written. Now I have to build the program by clicking build target. After that we need to check the hexa file checkbox. Also we need to verify the frequency of the 8050 microcontroller is 11.0592 through options for target. This is we have to check for every program. Now we are generated the hexa file for this program. Now we need to create this hexa file into binary file. Minimize the kill software. Now again open the ISP programmer and browse the hexa file. This is the hexa file I selected. Now browse where you want to store the generated binary file by giving the specific name to the binary file. I already given the binary file name as square wave. So select this, and along with that you have to provide the extension .bin and click on convert to XR to binary. This it generated the binary file of the square wave. Again browse the binary file in order to dump the binary file to my microcontroller. Click on program and click enter. It is flashing the binary file of the square wave to the microcontroller. The same circuit what I explained for the sine wave. Okay, this is the bus, this is the port of the ADAC where I interface with the 8050 microcontroller, and we connected the probe from the CRO in order to verify the square waveform. So this is the square waveform through the DAC we are getting on the CRO. Thank you.